Here's the app called Boom AI video generator. It's easy and fun. Dive into the power of AI. Turn your ordinary photos into AI art, even in anime style, and get ready to become viral. AI powered video generation, text to video, diverse animation styles, easy to use interface, fast processing, share and inspire. So then, yeah, you can then just open it up, and yes, so then you have it. So here you can get your access and start to create. So here you have that. And this app is not photos, obviously it's videos. It creates these short kind of GIFs, short videos, animations, and it's really fun. So there are a lot of these AI headshots, uh, apps, but these apps with short videos, it's really cool. So you can just go and create uh, videos like unfortunately it requires you to upgrade right away, and they don't have any free options, or they don't have any complimentary coins, so you need to upgrade right away. So 1 month is $26 and you get in 40 videos max. 1 year is 80 videos, $50 max. So that's kind of what it is. So yeah, that's at the moment, that's what it is. And that's the app. If you want me to upgrade and make the full overview of it, just leave some likes and I will upgrade and try it out. And also in the studio here is pretty cool feature that you can create kind of your own styles in here. So yeah, quite nice app and easy to use.